In this video, I will show how to download Google Sheets as PDF. So click on File and Download, and here select PDF and here Export. There are some more settings you can customize and make changes. You can change uh, current sheet or workbook. You can select the particular sheet. You can change here paper size, margin, and in the formatting you can show or hide grid lines, show notes, hide. Same in the header footer, you can show or hide sheet name, current date, current time, page numbers, or work title. Then export. Once this downloading process complete, just open it. That's it. Thanks for watching.